Hey traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a breakdown weekly analysis on how I took my trade on EURUSD. So today I'm going to break down each and every step I took and what I saw on the market chart and how I executed and took this trade. So guys, let's dive in. First of all, before I took this trade, I want to show you what I look out for and what I saw and definitely what I used to enter my trade. So as you all know, this is my footprints. If you have been watching my video, you know I use just simple 3 steps to analyze my chart and enter my trade. That was actually my footprint. This is my first layer. So as of last week, when I saw this trade was ranging around here, this is where immediately I drew my first layer. What I saw here around here was immediately there was a break of the trend. This trend here was broken, so that was an opportunity for me to see an entry, for me to enter this trade. So immediately it broke the trend. I waited for the retracement, and after the retracement, what I watch out for again is for it to come and retest this trend here, this side here. Let me show you guys here, around here. I was waiting for it to come and retest this previous low. So that was one of the criteria I looked out for though when I was taking this trade, because I was still waiting to see my divergence. Yes, another factor, another thing I watch out for when looking for entry position, when to enter my trade. I use my stochastic for confirmation to see when to enter this trade. So immediately I saw the pullback. What happened was that I went to my stochastic. On my stochastic here, I look for divergence. As you all know, this is our divergence. Our divergence was from here to here, guys. It was so clear because I took this trade on the 1 hour time frame and I held this trade for about a week. Yes, guys, it was really emotional. It's like hoping to hold this trade for far though. So this is actually my divergence from this point. As I've showed you, this is my divergence. And this is it, guys. It was so clear. It was so clear. So immediately I spotted this divergence. What I draw again was I draw my footprint as usual. It remained the same. There's no change of stuff. If you keep seeing this, just keep taking your trade, smashing your pips and moving. So I draw my footprint again. And around here, this is where I took my trades. I took my trade. Immediately there was a turnover in the oversold. The oversold is below here. I'll show you where the oversold is. Immediately after the crossover or your stochastic at the oversold side, immediately I enter the trade around there. Yes, this is my oversold, guys. Here, immediately there was a crossover in this place. That's when I entered the trade. I see boom to the upside is moving, guys. It's moving. So for you to scale up, if you have watched my video, you see you still spot out another divergent for you to scale up. See, divergent again is clear here. See another divergent. You can still enter this trade around here for scale up. You can catch another entry from here. Check out for your divergence and boom, you see to the upside. This is super interesting, guys. It's really interesting. If you really trade this strategy, I don't think you need you are stressing yourself in anything, because once you just understand the basic concept, there's no need of stressing yourself and everything. So you just understand the basic concept, put in the work, put what is required, and you see you scale up from this stuff. This is so interesting though. It's interesting. So that's how I caught my entry. As you can see, this is my trade, overall trade I took last week. I took 2 pairs last week, gold and EURUSD, and they all went to my favor. So you keep taking your pips and scaling up your accounts. So this year you draw your footprint properly. Sorry guys. Footprints, you draw your footprint properly again while waiting for the trade. You see, it's still respecting the trend. When your trend is your friend, guys, if your trend is your friend, you definitely scale up with this strategy, because you need to understand the concept of your trend line. If you don't know trend line, how trend line works, seriously, it will be very difficult for you to understand how this strategy work and how this concept is all about. So be the master of your trend line. You see the ultimate change to your trading journey. So see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you find value in this video. So guys, thanks for now. Bye.